Okay, so when we do a question where it has two sets of parentheses, you may or may not have been taught some kind of shortcut that if you were, I want to throw the shortcut away. The shortcut's not going to help you. It's extra things to remember, and it doesn't actually make any of this any faster, which is the only benefit to any shortcut ever. So when we have two sets of parentheses, we're still distributing because whenever we have something in front of parentheses, we need to distribute. In this situation, we have two things in front of the parentheses, so we need to distribute each one. So I strongly encourage you to draw in your distribution arrows, but draw in two sets of them. Maybe draw them in different colors. It just depends on how you want. Draw one on top and one on the bottom. Remember that when you distribute the second thing, you have to take that sign along with it. So you're doing an x times the second parentheses, and you're also doing a -2. So when I do this, I go very, very slowly because it's very, very easy to mess this up. So x times x is x squared. X times +4, because it has a plus in front of it, is plus 4x. And then in red, I have -2 times x, which is -2x. I have -2 times +4, which is -8. Quite often when you do something like this, you're going to end up with some like terms. It's not guaranteed, all right, but usually you'll end up with at least a couple of like terms, and you should combine them. X squared plus 2x minus 8. Keep in mind, the faster you go with these, the more likely you are to make a mistake, which is going to screw up your final answer, and you'll probably have to start all over again. So it's much better to go at half your normal speed when you're doing something like this and pay super close attention to the signs because that's normally where the mistakes happen.